I need to get a better setup to show you how to do this actually with water. But what you're gonna do is take your brush and get it wet. But one thing you wanna avoid when you're washing your brushes is from getting water into the base of the brush, because there's glue in there that holds the bristles together, and you don't want the water to get in there and compromise the glue and end up with bristles that are falling out. So, and that may not happen right away, but over time it could. So you just want to try to avoid getting water down in there. I'm sitting in my bathtub, so I'm going to turn the water on so it doesn't get my feet wet. I'm just going to get my brush wet. I'm going to get some soap on it. All right, let's see if that's good enough. Little cleansing pad. And start scrubbing away. I mean, it's probably going to take a couple of goes. But let's see if we can get them nice and purty again. All right, I got one side. Oh, geez. I got one side done because I wanted to show you the difference, because this one is still dirty. But this is the clean side, and it smells really good. So all I did was suds up and scrub until basically the color was not muddy anymore. Lay them flat to dry. You can put them on a towel. You can lay them across your sink if you want to, just so where they can breathe and air dry.